of Kaduna State, Governor Nasir, during a radio interview wey he get, they come ask and say if in administration they consider giving ransom to release the students wey they kidnap. You understand? You now remember bandits? Yes. So they come, they ask and say, he say in administration they ready to give ransom. You understand? For now we don't know, they go pay so that they go release the student. Now so this man open mouth oh. They no point gun for a head. He himself can't talk say he don't talk am before and he mean am and he go repeat am again. Say he go say listen no. Say he go if they carry his son, say he ready. The highest thing wey he go do if they kidnap his son na to pray so that his son go make heaven. Say all this ransom this, ransom that. Say you know they inside that nonsense. Say you go just pray for your son, may make heaven instead of make it pay ransom. Hey. Wahala no go finish. No be small mouth oh. Everybody come dey wonder. So this man, see person biological father, he open mouth. Be like so now not just understand some kind things. These politicians, they go just come outside, make some kind statement, and your son, wherever he dey, he go they watch you now. He go they listen to him father. You know what this thing mean? Meaning say, he prefer make his son die than for make him pay ransom. You will pray so that your son will make heaven. Who tell you say go answer your prayer? Now the first wahala where you supposed to start the thing for your mind. Be worried though. Say how we God answer my prayer. They don't say you will pray so that your son will make heaven. None of you go make heaven. None of you go make heaven. I know they swear for you now, just the fact. Una they do anything we wanna like with us, like say we be toys. I was about to even say Ngwanome Boko Haram go start the assignment because yes now this one a threat. You they give Boko Haram go ahead say oh yeah come and try me, test the waters and see. I want to say make Boko Haram go start operation. Oh. My people I can't remember say this man if family no even dey here. Yes, check out. No, if not, why this man go come outside the sharp mouth? Say if they like they should kidnap my son. I will just pray for him to make heaven. I will not pay any ransom. Because his son is not in Nigeria. He no say they no feel rich in Peking or in children right now. He don't go hide them for one corner. Now they come outside, they make hi. Chineke Jehovah. If I be your son, bros. If I be your son, I don't disown you straight. I don't disown you for you to open mouth tell me this kind of thing. How they go kidnap him? No, how they want kidnap this one where you don't go hide them obodo ibo, you don't carry them, go hide them abroad. Yeah, if you they listen to me and you are this man's son, start disowning him. Because your life right now is at stake, except if in just they come outside to talk this out so that people no go see these people, we don't know them. They can pay more than ransom. Ransom self they learn work. They go even parents in no join just for them to rescue their children. When they here, they go tell you any small thing, you go just believe her, you go swallow her. Any small thing when they tell you, you too, you go say, this is a man of principle. This is a man. Not only principle, not principality. I beg, my people, I know they believe anything will come up from these people's mouth. In fact, I don't change my mind. I change them. Yes, Boko Haram, over to you. Make una start see whether it dey abroad, whether it dey anywhere in this life, in this world. Make una find this man's son. I beg, I just want to check something. You understand? Make Boko Haram go check for them so that we go know whether true you go pray. No, make I know whether your heart go even there at peace. Not to talk of say you go pray. Make we just see. Now just testing. I want tester. Make we see whether this man truly you go pray so that God will accept himself for heaven. I be go pay ransom. Nonsense. People where they even ready to sell Nigeria just for their family. Now you they come outside, they tell us nonsense. And you not too go they believe. Me, I know they inside that one. No. So I beg, bros, Mr. Nasi, this one where you just swallow them. Take them back inside your stomach. We don't need that. Just come outside here, they give us nonsense lie. It is very difficult for you to see politicians where they talk through. It is very difficult though. You no go see lie. Every day different lies. Every day prophet lying, prophet everything lies. Anything we come up from our mouth, you know they pass that one. I beg. I don't know who know in children. If you know say you don't see in children before, I beg make una help me deliver this message because now somebody is about to be disowned. So I beg share this video to in family members. Make they know say now waiting this man open mouth talk by himself. Very very important. And if you not share this video, me and una go get problem because this one I go reach until the end. I must see the outcome of this one. Very very important. And make sure say you drop your comment for that comment section. Anything you think concerning this matter, drop out for there. And as usual, I go reply now one by one. Subscribe if you never subscribe. If not, you go to miss interesting matters like this one. Stay tuned for our next story. Ebubeagu na the new security outfit now where they don't tackle for insecurity in the region, and this one they come after they discuss the current insecurity challenges where they happen for Southeast. The governors that they don't come outside disclose the decision where they make, and this one they happen for Owerri, Imo State. For now way they are aware many things don't they happen for Imo. Where police station, they burn different police stations, people key, people do this one, many wahala. So now according to the governors, they say they come together, come discuss this matter, and now the outcome be this. Ebubeagu na the name of the new security outfit. So I beg join me, make me watch the video.
Sunday today, 11th of April 2021. After exhaustive discussions on the current security challenges in Southeast, and with valuable contributions from participants at the first Southeast Security Summit in 2021 today, it was resolved as follows: to strongly and unequivocally condemn terrorism and banditry in any part of Nigeria, particularly in Southeast. The meeting strongly condemns the burning of police stations, violent attacks on custodial centers with the unlawful release of inmates, and the killings including security personnel, natives, farmers, and herdsmen. That the 5 Southeast governors states are on the same page with the federal government on the issue of security challenges in the country. To this end, the meeting makes it absolutely clear that Southeast will stand resolutely with the federal government to fight terrorists and bandits to a standstill.
These people just they wake up. Since now they wake up, say una need security, una wait, una relax, finish. They burn different police stations, they kill different people, they burn different properties, they Fulani enter Igbo land, scatter. Una relax, una been dey dream. Now una don't wake up, say we need another security in our. No, continue to sleep. If you now want, I go bring bed sheet add to the one that they use cover body. Wetin happen to ESN? Wetin happen to ESN? The Ebubeagu now wey una don bring, are they very sure? See my people, una no say wisdom, you know they depart from my life. Are too wise. This Ebubeagu wey they bring now na to fight ESN. Are they very sure? If not, what is the need of another security when they know say they still get another one? Are they passive war? And this one like this, no, just imagine Ebubeagu ESN meet Ebubeagu inside bush, or they don't turn them to suya because they go dey fight. They no fit agree. Wetin be that way they talk? We cannot have 2 captains in one ship. It no dey possible. ESN don already dey there. You they bring another one where we don't even know where they come from. What is you people's mission? Wetin be their mission? Wetin be their mission? And una go tell me say una no dey perceive anything. Una no dey perceive danger as this thing dey like this. To all the Southeast governors, make una listen very well. The devil you know is better than the angel you don't know. I know wetin they talk. Oh. I know what I am talking in the time. Hey, the devil you know is better. See, ESN, it better me will manage like that. Make una leave our ESN like that too. Because this Bube wetin we una don't bring now. I don't know wetin be una mission or their mission. Before you know now, another matter we go come the year. If only these people fit think well. Wisdom. I go send wisdom come on aside. If una fit think, if una fit wise up, una go understand with me say e better make we support and make ESN stronger. Now the problem with our politicians be this: you go get one thing, you no go take care of that thing very well, build them up, you go start to look for another thing. How will ESN fulfill all righteousness if wetin dem dey call am, if una no dey give them the necessary equipment and things to fight? How they want fight this fight? Now una see for una mind now, they are not compatible, they are not they are incompetent. So una need bring another one. Why una no dey invest on ESN first? Invest on the one you have, because these ones we know them already. We know why they are here. We know their mission and their purpose and their vision and everything. Now the one way they bring, we don't know anything about this one. Tomorrow now we go hear say killing is going on. Killing. See, I don't trust these people. I don't trust these people. It go shock you. Now this same bube what. Now they go start now. They attack their own people. Now they go start they do. Our politicians, all of them like this, all of them, they are just disgraceful elements to our Igbo people, both home and abroad. They just they disgrace everybody. They just they disgrace us. I don't just understand why una no fit just but it is well, oh, it is well. Now the only thing we have to talk, it is well. Which other thing I want talk? Now don't sit down, get meeting. That meeting we una get, one una no fit just say okay. This wetin we already get now, ESN. Ngwanu, how we fit make this thing strong now? May we provide more weapons, may we start another training, may we expose them to new things. You understand? If it work, our politicians now, they no get patience, they no get eye safe, because they know they see. They know they see. Any small thing, they just don't jump inside another thing. Before they finish that one, they jump inside another one. Before they finish that one, they don't jump inside another one. And like that, we just they move. Before you know, 1 month has gone, 2 months. That's how the years have been passing. And then they never achieve one thing, because they rush. They don't even get patience. I beg me, I know just they understand all this one what they do. I don't know how many of them they okay with this bubeago, but me, I know they see them. As soon as I see me like this, my eye, you know they on top. Not only a bubeago, now I go a bube. Make una continue. Now here go day when una go start they bring me report say, Madam Aproko, it don't start oh. I go close my door for now, because now nobody want hear me. But it is where I been make una help me share this video so that everybody go know say Ebubeagu don't rise. Now new outfit for security people now for Southeast. I beg share this video so that our people go know say now this thing they happen right now. And if you not get anything to comment, I pity you, because this one involve all of us. So start to drop that comment for that comment section and subscribe so that you no go miss any matter like this one. Stay tuned for our next story.